Fires can happen in a variety of ways and in any room of your home. But no matter where or how, having a smoke detector is the first key step towards your family's safety. A majority of fatal fires happen when families are asleep, because when you sleep, you are not aware of the fire and you have no sense of smell. A smoke detector stands guard around the clock, and when it first senses smoke, it sounds a shrill alarm. This often allows a family the precious but limited time to escape. As we saw earlier, 3 minutes stop is the time to escape a house in fire.